Come on over and play with us. It's Chumuk Tumuk TV.
One little bird flies in the sky, singing a song as it flutters by. Two bright stars twinkle at night, shining above, oh what a sight. Three green frogs hop on the ground, jumping and leaping all around. Four big wheels on the bus go round, rolling smoothly with a cheerful sound. Five fluffy sheep in the field so wide, grazing calmly side by side. Six playful kittens chase a ball, pouncing and playing, having a ball. Seven rainbow colors in the sky, paint the clouds as they float by. Eight busy bees buzz around the hive, making honey, working to thrive. Nine balloons float up full of air, bright and colorful everywhere. 10 little ducks waddle in a row, off to the pond they happily go.